What if you could fix almost any computer with something you can fit on your keychain? Let's get into it.
Yep, we've all been there with these computer problems. But what if the fix was in your pocket?
It's basically a special drive that lets a computer start up using it, not the hard drive inside.
So yeah, it turns a regular USB stick into a super tool for repairs, installs, you name it.
But wait, it gets even better. What if you didn't have to pick just one tool? That's a multi-boot drive. So what's the big deal? Well, you get some serious flexibility and power. Let's look at some examples.
For starters, installing a new OS like Windows or Linux, this makes it so easy.
And if your computer crashes, this little drive can be a total lifesaver for getting your files back.
It also means you can carry your entire desktop with you. Just plug it in and go.
This is a big one for tech pros. You can run special tools like Kali Linux without installing a thing.
And privacy? This keeps your work totally separate from the host computer. No traces left behind.
Okay, sold yet? Good, because making one is way easier than you think. Here's how.
You just need a special program and a system file called an ISO. Then you follow these simple steps.
After it's created, you just restart the computer and tell it to boot from your new USB drive.
All right, so there are a few apps for this. But which one's the best? Well, it kind of depends. Let's break it down. See those two big check marks for YUMI? Those are game changers.
So, the verdict? If you want tons of tools on one drive and want to save your work, YUMI's the winner.
This quote from PendriveLinux just says it all, right? The freedom to work anywhere, leaving no trace.
So it's more than a tool. It's a new level of control. The real question is, what will you do with it?